Hello, welcome back. Today I will show you how to use your financial calculator to do some, the times value of the money problems. Here is the first question. If you open an investment account, the account promised to pay you 12% annual rate on your money. If you deposit $5,000 in this account today, then what's the value of your account balance in 5 years? So first we need to summarize the information. The question is talking about in 5 years, so the number of the periods will be 5 years. And we're talking about the years, right? So the annual rate of the return should be 12%, so that's the value for IY. And today you will make the deposit $5,000, so that's the present value, $5,000. And there's no additional payment over the course of this investment, so the payment will be 0. So here we need to calculate the future value. To calculate the problems on your financial calculator, remember first step is always reset your financial calculator. So reset your financial calculator. Then quit setting. Then next we need to input the values, right? So when you input the values, first input the values, then push the button. So 5 is the number of periods. So push 5 and then the calculator confirm the number. The next is for the interest rates. Interest rates is 12%. So when you use your financial calculator, these buttons, if you input the interest rates, it should be percentage number rather than the real number. So here the 12%, just input 12, then push the IY button. The next is we need to input the present value, right? PV value. So the PV is $5,000, then push the PV button. And there's no additional payment, right? So the value for payment should be 0. Actually, the default value for PMT is 0 here. And then we need to calculate the future value. Before we push the FV button, we need to do one more step. Push the CPT. Push CPT, then push the future value button. So it tells you the future value will be $8,811.71. So that indicates if you deposit $5,000 today in this account, and in 5 years, then the balance on your account, it should be $8,811.71. You may notice there's one negative sign before these numbers. So what's the meaning of this negative sign? This negative sign just to show you the future value, it will have the opposite direction compared to your original deposit. So here, remember, when you first make the deposit today, the money is from your wallet to the bank account, right? So that is out cash flow. And when this investment, ended, then you should be able to receive your money back, right? So you withdraw the money from the bank account and back to your wallet. So the cash flow will be the inflow. So the negative sign just tells you the future value, the cash flow direction is opposite to the direction of your initial deposit cash flow. So that's the negative sign that tells you. Next, I will show you that's another example.